Morning students. Today we will discuss some problems based on trigonometrical ratios. I have taken one question. In triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree and AB ratio BC is equal to 2 ratio 1. Then find the values of first part tan A, second cos C, third sin A plus cot C. So firstly we will draw a right angle triangle. We will take a right angle triangle ABC. It is given angle B is 90 degree and AB ratio BC. AB ratio BC. AB ratio BC. It is given 2 ratio 1. So we can suppose let AB is equal to 2K and BC is equal to K. In this ratio, we will multiply by a constant K to suppose the actual value of AB and BC. So AB ratio BC 2 ratio 1, we can suppose AB is equal to 2K and BC is equal to 1K. Right, AB is equal to 2K and BC is equal to 1K. Then by Pythagoras theorem, we will find the hypotenuse. So use Pythagoras theorem in right triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, we can write AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So BC square plus AB square. BC is K square, AB is 2K, we can write 2K square. K square, 2K whole square is 4K square. 4K square plus K square, 5K square. So what will be AC? We will take square root of 5K square. We cannot take the square root of 5, but we can take the square root of K square. So AC will be K root 5. From K square, 1K we can take outside. K root 5, it is the value of AC, K root 5. So firstly we have to find all the three sides of right angle triangle. After that we can write any trigonometric ratios. So using Pythagoras theorem, we found that AC is K root 5. Now we can tell what is the value of tan A, cos C and sin A plus cot C. So write the first part. See the first part, tan A. Tan A means this angle, this acute angle. We know that tan is what? Perpendicular by base. When we will consider this acute angle, its opposite side BC, it will be perpendicular. And AB will be base. BC upon AB. BC is K and AB 2K. So K cancel with K, it will be 1 by 2. So value of tan A is 1 by 2. Second B part, cos C. So write the formula for cos in terms of perpendicular base hypotenuse. So cos C is base upon hypotenuse. Now we are taking this acute angle C. So angle C opposite sides AB, it will be perpendicular and this side will be base. So base upon hypotenuse, BC upon AC. BC by AC. BC is K. AC K root 5. Again K cancel. We will get 1 by root 5. It is cos C. Cos C is base by hypotenuse. We are considering angle C, this acute angle. So its opposite side AB will be perpendicular. This will be base. And it is hypotenuse. So base upon hypotenuse. BC by AC. Now third part, C, sin A plus cot C. So when we will take sin A means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sin A is perpendicular by hypotenuse. And cot C, cot is base by perpendicular. When we will take this acute angle A, its opposite side BC will be perpendicular and AC hypotenuse, so BC upon AC. BC upon AC. Cot C, taking this acute angle, its opposite side, it is perpendicular, this side is base, we have to write base upon perpendicular, so BC upon AB. BC upon AB. What is the value of BC? K. AC K root 5 plus BC K, AB 2K, we can cancel K. So it will be 1 by root 5 plus 1 by 2. LCM will be 2 root 5, divide by root 5, 2 will come, 2 1 ja 2, plus divide by 2, root 5 will come, 2 plus root 5. So 2 plus root 5 upon 2 root 5. So it is the value of sin A plus cot C. I will take some more questions of the exercise. Say this question, it is question number 10 of your exercise. If sin theta is equal to 5 by 13, then find these values: cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta and tan theta plus 1 by cos theta. Again we will take a right angle triangle. So let us suppose ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle B is 90 degree. Sin theta is given 5 by 30. Suppose this angle C is theta. Let us suppose angle C be theta. So it is given sin theta is equal to 5 by 30. We know that sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. It means perpendicular by hypotenuse, it is 5 by 30. See what is perpendicular? We are taking angle theta, this one. So its opposite side AB will be perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. So AB upon AC. AB upon AC. It is 5 by 30. Theta opposite angle, this one perpendicular, this is base and it is hypotenuse. So AB upon AC is equal to 5 by 13. It does not mean that value of AB is 5 and AC is 13. If AB upon AC is 5 by 13, we will not understand that value of AB is 5 and value of AC is 13. It is the ratio of AB and AC 5 ratio 13. AB upon AC 5 by 13. So ratio of AB and AC 5 by 13. We will suppose let AB is equal to 5K and AC is equal to 13K. Suppose AB is equal to 5K and AC is equal to 13K. So two sides are known, AB and AC. Using Pythagoras theorem, we will find BC means base. So using Pythagoras theorem, what we will write according to Pythagoras, square of the hypotenuse AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. AC is 13K square. BC we have to find. AB 5K, so 5K whole square. 13 square is 169 and K square, K square. 5K whole square, it will be 25K square. Transpose 25K square, left side. 169K square minus 25K square is equal to BC square. When we will subtract, we will get 144 k square. So what will be BC? We will take square root of 144 k. And square root of 144 is 12. K square root will be k. So therefore BC is equal to 12 k. So the base BC is 12k. Perpendicular 5k, base 12k, hypotenuse 13k. Now all the three sides of right angle triangle are known. We can write any trigonometrical ratios. So write the first ratio, that is cos theta. So first one, cos theta. We know that cos theta is what? Base by hypotenuse. So what is base? BC. Hypotenuse is AC. BC by AC. And value of BC 12k. AC 13k. We can cancel k. We will get 12 by 13. Next B part, tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular AB, base is BC. AB by BC. AB is 5k, BC 12k, k cancel with k, we will get 5 by 12. C, cosec theta. Cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So hypotenuse is AC, perpendicular is AB. AC by AB. AC is 13k, AB 5k. K cancel with k, 13 by 5. Last one, tan theta plus 1 by cos theta. We have found already tan theta is what? 5 by 12. So we can put the value here. So tan theta is 5 by 12 plus 1 by cos theta. 1 upon, and cos theta is what? Cos theta we have calculated here 12 by 13. So write 12 by 13. It will be 5 by 12 plus 13 will go upside, 13 by 12. So 13 plus 5, 18 by 12. 6 3 ja 18, 6 2 ja 12, 3 by 2. So in every question we will make a right angle triangle. Two sides were given. Using Pythagoras theorem find the third side, and after that you can write any trigonometrical ratios. So I have taken one example, question number 10 from the exercise. Remaining questions you can do yourself. I will discuss one more example. See next question 19b. If 13 sin A is equal to 5, then find this value. 5 sin A minus 2 cos A upon tan A. Again take a right angle triangle. A, B, C. This angle 90 degree. Here it is given 13 sin A. Angle A is acute. So write 13 sin A is equal to 5. What will be sin A? Sin A we can write 5 by 30. 13 sin A is 5. So sin A is equal to 5 by 30. Sin A, angle A is this one. So its opposite side, this is perpendicular. This is hypotenuse and this will be base. Sin A means perpendicular by hypotenuse. So BC upon AC. We will write BC upon AC is equal to 5 by 30. So we will suppose let BC is equal to 5k, AC is equal to 13k. We will not take BC is equal to 5 and AC is equal to 13. It is the ratio of BC and AC 5:30. Let BC is equal to 5k, AC is equal to 13k. So this is 5k and AC is 13k. Again by using Pythagoras theorem we will find the base AB. So using Pythagoras theorem, we will write hypotenuse square means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is what? 13K. Write 13K whole square. AB we have to find. BC is given 5K whole square. So 13K square, it is 169K square is equal to AB square plus 5K square 25K square. Transpose 25. 169K square minus 25K square is equal to AB square. When we will subtract, we will get 144K square is equal to AB square. So what will be AB? Take the square root of 144K square. Square root of 144 is 12. K square root is K. So AB is 2K. So this side is 12K, not 2K, 12K. So we see that all the three sides of right angle triangle are known. So we can write the value of sin A, cos A, tan A and put in this. So what is the value of sin A? From here, sin A is equal to 5 by 13. We can write also from here. Next, cos A. Cos A is base by hypotenuse. So base is what? AB. And hypotenuse AC. AB 12K, hypotenuse 13K. 12K upon 13K, K cancel with K, 12 by 13. And this one tan A. Tan A is perpendicular by base. So perpendicular is BC and base is AB. BC 5K, AB 12K. It will come 5 by 12. So sin A, cos A, tan A values are known. We can put these values in the given expression. So therefore 5 sin A minus 2 cos A upon tan A. So 5 into sin A is 5 by 13, write 5 by 13, minus 2 cos A 12 by 13, 12 upon 13, whole upon tan A is 5 by 12. Now we will simplify it. Five into 5, 25 by 13, minus 2 into 12, 24 by 13, whole upon 5 by 12. 25 minus 24, it is 1 by 13, whole upon 5 by 12. So 12 will go upside here. 1 into 12 upon 13 into 5. So 12 upon 65. So value of 5 sin A minus 2 cos A upon tan A is 12 upon 65. So in every question we have to make right angle triangle. Two sides will be given in the question. Using Pythagoras theorem, find the third side, and after finding third side, we can write any trigonometric ratios. So do some questions yourself. Some more questions we will discuss in the next video.